Let's see how the play really got developed too. So good keep. At this point, we got to get more bodies to the net. So let's look and see. 1, 2, 3. Heayden ends up scoring because he's in the middle of the area where he gets the puck. But let's watch what happens. Lorden busts back in. Heayden's really in, but he's not all the way in, and definitely need this guy all the way across, all the way in. Let's watch what happens. The best thing that could happen here, Cross starts to initiate a little bit of play here, so this defenseman can't cheat and block a shot. And Lorden, look at his shot. This is the most important part to the whole thing. He rips a shot no matter what. He saw an opportunity. We needed a chance to score, and that's how we keep it in again. Lorden back up top. Look at that's excellent alignment. The play had a lot of different parts to it. Parts where we could have worked on better, but also excellent job here. Great job by Saunders covering deep too, but he gets to keep it in for that reason. Even had a man in front of the net for the rebound. Finally, that's the way to attack the net.